The fourth step is leather slitting. A slitting machine is used to cut the entire piece of leather into strips. First, the machine is adjusted according to the width of the belt, and then the machine is used to slit the leather. After slitting, the belt ends are trimmed flat. This prepares for the later maintenance and shaping process. Next, semi-finished product inspection is conducted. Inspection includes checking for leather fit and defects, looseness, thickness conforming to order requirements, and material matching the sample. Qualified products proceed to the next stage of the production process. Qualified products begin the skiving process. Many years ago, we used small skiver, which are now mainly used for sample. Our company now uses Italian skiving technology and equipment. This allows for one-time peeling and shaping, doubling efficiency. After skiving, glue is applied again. This time, hot melt adhesive is used. It will be heated to melt and then cooled later, resulting in a very strong bond.